Good morning. We're here. Still trying to get stuff set up. Usually I like to have everything on the desktop, all the screens and everything like that in place before I hit start stream, but this was one of those days we were running late, so I hit stream first. Tyler. You want to start with that today already? I had an old, not an old, but I had a TV, I don't know, like 50 inch maybe. So I put it up above, but it's kind of too big. I have to look like straight up to see the top of it. What is today? The 5th. You're asking me? This is the start of my day. But I think it's good so far. I usually I'll put football up there while I'm video gaming. No trades, David, no trades. Since we started streaming again, I've been very disciplined to only trade on the stream. So if you guys see it, if you guys don't, I'm not trading off stream. I think I'm feeling pretty good. I have literally no expectations for today. It could be red, it could be green, it could be break even, it could be no trades. I don't freaking care. I hate where price is at. I hate what price has been doing the last 2 weeks. I hate that it started doing this as soon as we got funded accounts. So, but I'm not going in trying to get anything back or trying to be green. So I think we're in a really pretty good headspace at the moment. Look at this. This is hopefully price does something at the open, because looks like we've just sat in a tight range all night long. 50 points. And for the most part, we've been in 10-point ranges on NASDAQ on the 5-minute. ES, a 5-point range. Yeah, I mean, I'm fully expecting weirdness today. So we're staying scaled down. I need to add my new Apex funded account to the copier. PA number 13. So that. I don't even know. I'm getting kind of confused with what accounts we have. Okay, it's in there. Yeah, I'm staying scaled down. I'm probably just going to aim for freaking 5-10 points at a time, and we'll just trade. And then I'm gaming at lunchtime, so especially if the markets are crap like yesterday, but they're usually pretty garbage around lunchtime anyway. So 11:30, shut the charts down, game for an hour or two, then come back this afternoon. I like that. We're zoomed in on 2.5 increments. It's ridiculous. What's up, Joseph? Yo, Hank's here. I think we're usually zoomed into 10 increments of 10 over here. And if we do that, look at how little it's been moving. Yeah, I saw. I pulled up Bitcoin last night or yesterday at some point. Cause I'm like, it has to have hit 100 by now, and it was at like 103. Wonder how many other people are cashing out. You had what, like 10? You had 10 Bitcoins? No news today. Canadian IV PMI at 10. Like we freaking care about that. Get the hell out of here. I think we're good on US economic calendar. Doesn't really have anything. Some Fed speaking at noon, which we'll be gaming at that time. Yeah, there was initial jobless claims at 8:30, which what did that do? Didn't do anything at 8:30. Dropped 26 points. Yeah, look at you guys. Tyler's making $8. Hank's making 10. I made like $10 last weekend betting on football games. So maybe on the weekends we do sports betting streams. Just freaking having all around. We'll trade futures. We'll stream trading futures. Weekends we'll stream sports betting. And then all the time in between we'll stream gaming. Then maybe I won't have to get a job. I'm going to keep Financial Juice open, but I don't really foresee anything coming through on there. 21,490. You know, after yesterday's trade, I don't want to be in anything around this 500 level. F that. Oh, we're open. Look at that. Yeah, you don't have to. Well, I mean, I want to be able to stream the games, Tyler. We'd get a strike doing that. You can probably sports bet without even watching. You don't have to watch the games. Actually, some of the bets I place, I don't watch the games. Some of them I do because I do like football, but if I have multiple going on, yeah, exactly. Although I think it'll be more entertaining once I break out of betting $1 per bet. But I'll be there soon. Hey, if I doubled my money in one weekend, I should be able to start placing double $2 a bet, right? I think I'm going to wait until I get to $50 in my account, and then I'll jump to $2. Oh, so I checked the stream yesterday and this background music was like non-existent. But the other day when somebody said the volume was okay, it was too loud. So I think I want it half of what my voice is, which would be around, I'm just trying to talk so I can see the levels like right there. What does that sound like? I don't know why I'm asking you guys. I don't trust you guys, so I'll listen to it myself. I think that was too loud. Okay. Just leave it there. And as expected, market's not doing anything yet. Yeah, that putting it half of what my voice was too much. So have it. That's about where I have it now, is about 30%, I think. The problem is that audio track some parts get super quiet. And that track's probably getting old for you guys. Did we just crack all-time highs right there? A little bit. I know what you show up for. Yo, you weren't here. You weren't here yesterday when we passed that 25K in the afternoon, were you? I think you would have enjoyed the commentary on that. What do you mean you were told to leave earlier? By me? Delta making highs or not on price? The small risk. I have to take it. I haven't been taking, I've been hesitating when that happens. So probably a little risky at all-time highs, but whatever. It's risking 9 points. He showed up, Delta showed up last week. He was talking about how he lost his lizard for a month and then they found it like a mile away. Like a month later, a mile down the street or something. We're aiming for small targets today. We're just barely getting 5 there. I would like at least 10. Just take that. I'm not letting the market freaking. I'm not letting it screw me over today. We're just taking small profits, small tight stops, small entries. Really just trying to log a trading day. I believe today's the last day for our Phoenix account. So I'm kind of excited for that. I think we got close to 10 points there. We got too many deltas going on because we talk about this delta. We have delta in the chat sometimes. Downloaded a game last night that we may play. I don't know if I'll play it today, called Delta Force. It's too much. Look at this. What a beautiful divergence. Of course, this is going to be the one that goes. Look at it. Look at it go. We were in at 44 and it went 20 points. I just don't trust the market with how it's been moving lately. Like what the hell is this 5 minute on ES? This looks like an asset that's not traded. Like that has super low volume. This is like overnight trading. It moved 5 points, and how long? Like how long did it take to move 5 points? An hour? I still can't believe our trade yesterday took an hour for 19 points. 3 hours? Are you serious? And I'm confident we hold the record for the longest full port trade on a 25K account. Yeah, I bet I was losing my mind with the trade yesterday. I was hoping it would just on those pullbacks I wanted it to just fail because I didn't want to sit in it anymore. I mean, is the rest of the market doing this too, or is it just futures? We need knives in here to fill us in on the rest of the world. This is a beautiful trade. Forex is trash right now. Maybe instead of trying to trade this with my accounts, I should break off an account to do that reverse challenge. Or maybe that might... I don't know. It's barely moving. That might be boring. I don't think I could handle that with this type of movement, because I'd be wanting to overread or overthink every little thing. It's bad, JP. It's been bad for like 2 weeks now. Frickin' sucks. But we know it sucks, so there's no reason for us to force things, you know? Let everyone else over leverage and get chopped up. I have scaled down during this, and now we are aiming for smaller profit targets. I think those are the two best decisions I could be making right now, besides just skipping trading altogether. Which, that's something I could do while we're at all-time highs, just skip the day. But keeping our risk small is basically the same thing. Like yesterday we were down $60. To me, that doesn't really... I don't think of yesterday as a red day. To me, that feels like a break-even day. That's like one green trade. I'd be out of that. Actually, that trade, I don't know how much that one was. I think we only got like 8 points on it, but that was 30. That was 30 something dollars. Half of what we lost yesterday. ES is on its way to the highs. Did you, JP, did you go through those evals because you were trading larger? Or just like death by a 1,000 cuts? Isn't that a... Wait, what you just said, buying at 553 and then selling at 517, isn't that a losing trade? If you buy up there and then sell lower? I guess that aligns with his trades, maybe? I don't know, I haven't watched him. I think the most I've ever watched of Patrick is like 5 seconds, and then I had to turn it off. Quite a bit of selling right here. We have selling on Delta, but price is moving up. I'm gonna take that. Oh, oh, you're saying you would buy up there or you sell. I thought you meant buy at 553 and then sell at 517. I'm like, you're just guaranteeing a losing trade. We're putting a stop at that low. Uh-oh. Did it? You put me in a cell down there. We're not breaking this guy yet. We might. Delta sure has. Delta broke this low back here. Price started to stall out right there. What's up, McLovin? Hope you're being careful. These are not ideal conditions. Uh-oh. You're looking for a buy at 490, Hank? This may work. I had my stops beneath this low right here, but I flattened everything. Frick. That looked like it was going. They got me there. Damn. We should have stayed in that. I had my stops beneath this low. I don't know. I don't. It's just not good price action. Who would have thought shorting at the very highs could have just held that? I shouldn't have gotten scared out of that. We should have just left our stops. I don't remember where our entry was at, but if we were going after 10 points, could have gotten closer. I mean, anything would have been better than taking the red. This may still work out. Look at it, just keeps getting bought up when we go down there. Quite a bit more selling coming in. We have to go for it. That's what we wait for. Oh, this market. This stupid candle right here just wicks right down. I know you're saying 490. However, that's exactly what we wait for. If we move that out of the way, we've got a low, this divergence that's forming on these two charts, and then price stalling right here. Like, this is exactly what we wait for. The first trade, I shouldn't have gotten out of that. I'm fine with, I mean, I shouldn't have got out of that, but it's whatever. So we tried it again, didn't work. We got a bunch of crap over here too. All this consolidation on the tick chart. See if we could come back there, and that does align with Hank's 490. Okay, you shorted at, what was it, 517? So what is it? You wait for the first 15 minutes and buy, sell the breakout of the first 15 minutes, or at 9:45. Yeah, whatever high and lows are put in at 9:45. Yeah, I mean, look at all this consolidation on the 5-minute. That's where all this is on the tick chart. That also aligns with Hank's 490. So we got delta, tons of selling, and the price is not beneath that yet. What's up, chef? Where was your short up here? I shorted this, but I only took 8 points out of that. On this move right here, I only caught this. I didn't want to deal with holding today, so we got out. And of course, it's one of the good ones right there. $540. I think I was in at 544, but then I got out at like 36 or 35, something like that. I didn't have the balls today to hold after what we've been going through the last couple days. What is that? What's that 463, JP? I hope we don't go down there. But ES is not going down. Well, I went in today aiming for 10 pointers, not 20 or more. It's up one stop. I only played one match. the lobby is... there's too much going on in the menu and the lobby and stuff. I need to play with somebody who knows what they're doing because I don't like learning all that. But when I was in the... I only played one game and we only walked like 50 meters. We ran into another team. I killed one dude, but I was with random people, and then we all ended up dying. But I think it felt good. Man, I like that we came back to all this. We should have bought down there. ES just decides to make some new all-time highs again. I was confused in that game because one of my teammates went down and then the other dude went and picked him up, but then I went down and it just said I was dead and I wasn't able to get revived or anything. And on the screen after I died, it showed my teammate was still alive, but it said I was dead, and it already said like you lost everything. So I'm like, what the hell? Thinking about buying right here, and then if it comes back down, we can add down here. Look at... Frick. You've played that one? I didn't realize that there was multiple. Like, this isn't moving much. 500 is 20 points away. We can add if it comes back down there or into all this. I know I said I wasn't going for higher targets, but look at ES. If NASDAQ were to, if NASDAQ goes to those highs, can add 2 on the way up, maybe. But I mean, maybe NASDAQ won't make highs. I don't know. ES isn't stopping. Do you guys care to see the price on the side of ES, like on these 5-minute charts, or does it matter? Like, I have them hidden for aesthetic purposes, but I don't know if you guys care to see those. It's probably hard to see anyways. Did not come to 90. We got to 98. Let's see if we can just freaking rip up there and catch up with ES. That would be sick if we could get up there. I could also see ES pull back and NASDAQ not go up there. What's up, Knives? I was just talking about you, wondering if is rest of the market acting like this as well? Oh, just puts like where the price is right there. That's a good idea for the make a custom indicator that helps for the stream. That's a good decision, Tyler. Yeah, we could do that. Oh, did you end up taking along in that little leg up, Hank? Oh, you were short to 490. I thought you were waiting for a market to go to 490 to long. What the hell, McLovin? We're long. The Phoenix account's going good. We're just like, I've just been like break even the last like 2 weeks. We're not really getting anywhere on it. But like I was talking to Tyler last night, and hopefully they recognize that as good risk management while the market has been kind of crap, you know? Like I'm not trying to make a lot of money on that account. I'm just trying to show decent risk management. And I think as of this morning, or as of last night, we were like $300 off of the highs from my account. We were up to like 1900 in profit on that account, and yesterday it was sitting at like 1600. But the profit and loss curve is nice. It's not like huge swings, you know. So that's what they don't really give a lot of details of what they're looking for. They just say trade however you want, and we want to see like responsible trading, and to me that's responsible trading. So I think today's the last day. It says one more calendar day, and that's what it said last night. So I'm assuming today's the last day. And then I don't know how long it takes for them to review the account. Hopefully by Monday we find out. Like I said, worst case, they don't pick me. It was $10. It helped me really like dial in my discipline and risk management, and they will give me they'll send me a report of what they think I can improve on, and then we try to improve on it, I guess. And then just I can't try one of those accounts again. You only get one shot. I watched like an interview with the CEO, and it sounds fine. And I've been in there. I've seen other people get payouts. That Merit account was brand new. I mean, it's $10. If I got scammed out of $10, I'm not too concerned, you know. They could just deny everybody, but I'm interested for $10 to see a report on a month worth of trading. I'll take it. And like I said, I've gotten what I want out of that account. It helped me really focus on the discipline this last month, you know. I think that's worth more than them giving me an account, because I don't even know this firm. But I've seen payouts, just not with this Merit account, because like I said, it's brand new. Nobody has even done a month yet. I think I might be like one of the first. I don't know if anybody has any end dates that were before mine. I asked in a Discord a couple weeks ago if anybody else, like what the end dates were for other people who bought those accounts, and everybody's was like 1 or 3 days after mine ends. So we'll see. Can we keep going, NASDAQ? ES is freaking pulling back hard. I would love for NASDAQ to go take out the highs, but We already took out our all-time highs earlier when ES didn't. Right at the open. Right? ES, or did ES do it too? No, ES did not take out the highs at the open. That was that move. If ES can treat that previous high as some support, it's at the body. I don't know. I'm gonna watch this low with Delta and see what happens. What the frick, ES? This did go 10 points in profit after we went 20 points negative. All right, ES, get some, let's bounce off of that point of control. Later, JP. If you want to watch some gaming, that's what we'll be doing around lunchtime. Might get on there sooner if market keeps doing this crap, which I feel like it's going to just be like this all day. Same thing as yesterday. That's just what it does at all-time highs. Later, man. Thanks for stopping by. All right, you could do it, NASDAQ. Let's go take out those highs. You don't want ES, stealing the show. There's like 3 or 4 of you guys are my hype men. Knives will be there one day. Probably I'm gonna, instead of this low, we're gonna pay attention to this low with Delta and see what it does. I don't want to let it go all the way back down there. It's one of those days. No, Knives, I'm gonna get you to record me like an introduction, like at like a show where like they have somebody announce what is it called? They have someone like announce the person coming to the stage. You're gonna record me a custom hype video, just like not long, you know, just like 20-30 seconds. We'll just play you at the beginning of every stream. Take one off up there. I don't want to bring my average too far up. They're trying to buy. Somebody's holding us down. Are you done? Are you done trading, Knives? And I don't think you answered. I asked earlier if like, is the rest of the market the same thing like this? Like just not going anywhere? Slow? I think you guys call it no Momo. He's all right. Are you serious? It's because we already set the all-time highs in the futures. So we're telling everyone it's okay, keep going higher, because in the future we're looking at all-time highs. One of these accounts is super delayed when I add or when I enter. Damn, you must be making some bank over there then, right? Pretty close to that high, and let's go. This is so stupid. We're at the highs of like these last two 5-minute candles, so it's just struggling. But I mean, if we break those, we could go up to this 5-minute high in the 40s. You guess? Are you not sure? Yo, it went full retard all day. I don't think you were here one stop. I was in a position on a 25k account with 4 minis and it took an hour to go 19 points. What? Oh, I got you. You're driving, trading, and you have me pulled up. Is there snow as well? I can't let this I think a long works, but I'm just not in the mood to deal with it going too far red, you know? Watching that bow back there. Super frustrating. Oh, frustrating. I hate ES took out the highs and Nasdaq didn't. Hate it. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it might not. It's just not worth it. Like, part of me wants to say I could have taken my 10 points out of that earlier. However, it was just a crap trade. We went too far into the red. I was okay with it because it was only 2 micros at the time, but regardless, we shouldn't be going more in the red than we're aiming for in the green, you know? So just all around bad trade, but it's just bad price action. So that's why I'm I guess straying from the plan a little bit. But that's why I'm willing to bend the rules a little. Not to where we, you know, cause a lot of damage, but now we got price moving much further than Delta. Or never mind, no we don't. I was looking at the wrong. Or yeah, it is. Price is already taken out this low, but down there on Delta it's not. Why couldn't we take out the highs, chef? I like longs around here, close to that 500. Prices just, you know, keeps hitting like a support around here. Delta is making higher lows, but we've also had several losing trades, so I'm a little skeptic of everything. But then that's usually when we start missing trades, and then that frustrates me. So we miss something, and then we end up getting into something later that we shouldn't, and then that ends up being a losing trade. It's such a struggle. Thinking about maybe just like just put a take profit for like 5 points and just try to do some 5-pointers. I don't know if that's like I don't know if that's a bad idea for me. Yeah, it's ugly. It's ugly, Hank. I mean, the best thing, I don't want to say it, but the best thing is to not participate in this. However, what I'm struggling with is this is so like goddamn frustrating that the market started doing this. You know, the market started being like super choppy and small ranges as soon as we got all of our funded accounts. So that means all of those are in the red, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. Like it kind of, it shows huge improvement on my part with my discipline and risk management that all those have been able to withstand this because they're all still there. But it's kind of starting to get to me that we're not making progress on those. That's super frustrating. And I know that's the wrong way to look at it, but that's what's going on. That's what's going on in my head. Like how the whole month of November, we did so good. And I'm not doing anything differently. So it's not like those like funded accounts are starting to, like, I'm obviously starting to think about them, and they're starting to, they will start affecting me negatively if I think about that too much. However, these last couple weeks, I firmly don't think that that's the reason why we haven't been having as many green days as we were. I think it's just because the market conditions have been so bad. Thank you, Tyler. Oh, I gotta look up what the sprinkle cupcake cherry reversal is. Can you fill me in? I think I have that written down somewhere, but that doesn't happen that often. Oh, that's an old one. That's a real old one. That's before Tyler's time. Oh man. The frick do we do? I should just do that. I should just have a setup and have some... Chef, can you help me come up with some names for my setups? Maybe that's what we're missing on this channel. I show you what I'm looking for, but I don't have a name for it. We need a name. Yeah, this is... That's too boring, Knives. The rat setup. All right, sounds good. Yeah, we got the suck zone, but that's a zone. That's not a setup. And I don't want all of mine freaking. I don't think we need all of ours some sexual setup names. I should have just taken that long back here. I don't know where Alito is. Let me ask him. Nasdaq just sitting in the middle of its range. ES literally not doing anything at the low. We have 12 seconds left on this 5-minute candle and it's just a line. One, two, super setup. That's a good one. I look at two lows, so 1, 2. I really wish we took that long back there. Part of me thinks longs are still okay here with ES, you know, wicking beneath its lows and Nasdaq not anywhere near them. But I just can't trust these conditions. My gut is telling me like 10 different things, knives, and I'm trying to figure out which one is the right. I know which one is the right one, but I want to trust the one that says size up, take a couple points. You can you can make money doing that. But that's not the right thing to do, and that's not sustainable. And that's bad risk management, because if one of those trades goes in the red a little bit, it's going to be a big losing trade, and that's not good. We're not going to do that. No, I mean, the absolute best thing is to freaking not participate. But like, our first trade was such a good read, but I was scared because of how bad the conditions have been lately. We shorted 44 up here. I can't remember if it was on the left side or the right side of this swing high. I think it was on the left side. So 6 points of drawdown, and I mean, I was nervous with the market conditions today, so I only took my handful of points. I didn't even go for the 20 that I've been going for, that I've typically been getting, which we did get 20 and more. So I feel like there's opportunities. It's just a lower probability of, I mean, we haven't seen really any opportunities since then. Or yeah, we did back here. I didn't take it because I was scared. This wasn't FOMO. This was a legit setup. This back here, I was scared to take this one, but this was again, this is exactly what I wait for. Price unwilling to look at how much further this low is than that, and then the same lows, and it stalled. But I didn't take it because the market conditions are making me not trust anything, even though we just watched it freaking, it worked out perfectly back here. But when I feel like this, I can't be, I mean, I can't size down anymore. I'm sized all the way down. I mean, I guess I don't have to add 2 contracts. I could just add 1. McLovin, you take that 524 short. And I don't have any experience on other assets. So I don't know if that's a good idea. Yeah, I'm gonna put a take profit on 10 points is 40 ticks, right? Do 2 contracts, 10 points at a time, 2 micros. I'm also gonna step away for the charts for a second and go do a check-in with my wife, have her talk me down a little. 3 for 10, yeah, that's not bad either. I'll be right back. You guys are helpful, but my wife's a little more helpful. Yeah, I'm not gonna switch. I only have experience in NASDAQ. So even though it is crappy, I could probably still do better with this than anything else. If we trade something else, I'd probably just be getting lucky. But isn't oil like decent? Oil's just tanking. I have no idea what. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, chef, no. That was not pooping. Talking to my wife. It's just, like I said, it's really frustrating at the... It's so frustrating that the markets have been like this the last 2 weeks. Back at the lows of this 5-minute range, which is also around the 500s. Her advice, or she was asking if other people were struggling too right now. I said, yeah, I'm confident it's not me as long as I don't let it be me. The markets have just been crap lately. And it's either I stop trading today or just take it easy, or just try to take it easy, which I have a take profit set for just 10 points. We're just going to go for like 10 points at a time. But I like this here. God, 10 points looks so far with these moves. And like, this is probably gonna be the time we freaking break through all this and just go lower. Yeah, and like it's just been like that, Alex. Like, we just cannot get anything going these last couple weeks. But I've been keeping the losses relatively small, so I think we're fine. But it just sucks that like all my funded accounts, like what is that? Not doing this. We're not trading to. You got to be kidding me. We're just dealing with another goddamn red day. Why is this one account not being copied? Yeah, I'm not. It's really gonna affect me if I let it, so I'm not trading anymore. I was going to plan on taking a break and then trade this afternoon, but I can't today. I mean, we might not even trade tomorrow. This is real frustrating. Thing is like we'll plan on skipping tomorrow, and then it's gonna end up being like beautiful price action. Yeah, there's 490. Yeah, I know, Knives, I know. It's because it's starting to get to me. It's not one day, it's the buildup of these last 2 weeks. Each day has been like this, and it's starting to get to me, obviously. I mean, we're not that red. It's not like the end of the world. I mean, I'm down 296. That's nothing. But every day has been garbage. And it all happened as soon as we got some funded accounts. So They all have plenty of drawdowns still because we've been keeping the losses tight in the red days. I'm making sure one day doesn't really matter that much. So we have enough drawdown on all of them to keep trading. But I mean, if I have another 2 weeks of this, they're all going to be gone. So we gotta stay out of the markets until we get out of this. I can't. This is stupid. Which is this is what I was expecting today, so having our red day, it's just whatever. So that's what we got to do. One stop, just survive until the markets are moving. No, that wasn't me, chef. Yeah, exactly. Like, that's the plan. The plan is to keep them. Appreciate that. I know that I'm way better than I was before. And I'm not like thinking that I'm a bad trader right now. I'm frustrated at the situation. I'm frustrated that I took a break from trading. Like, it wasn't a long time, but 2 or 3 weeks away from the charts is a long time, considering, when you're addicted to them and you want to be on them every day. But we took a break. We came back. I started the stream back up and we've been killing it. And I took 3-4 weeks to pass evals. Like I said, when we passed them, we've never passed evals with proper risk management. I've always over leveraged on them and got lucky and stuff like that. We passed these exactly how I'm supposed to like trade. And then as soon as we start fundeds, we go into all-time high territory and start giving just horrible price action. And that's what's frustrating. Yep. Same, Donna. Ever since, I think it was like November 20th, towards the end of November, the week of November 18th. So like the 21st, 22nd, and then the couple days before Thanksgiving, then Thanksgiving week, and now this. It's like we can't get anything going. And I'm not, like, my accounts, like, we're not in a bad place. I'm probably being a little over dramatic, and it's because I don't want to be in this position. I wanted all these accounts to be like, halfway to my first payout by now. But I mean, that's a problem thinking like that. But on the other hand, we've been doing really good every day. So I'm just being really hard on myself. That's all. These last couple weeks suck, Donna. They just absolutely suck. I'm handling it, Knives. I'm just saying things that other people don't want to say. And part of it is the situation I'm in. I don't have a job right now. Yeah, we're just crying about it over here. So having no stable income it's freaking tough trading if you don't have income. Oh, I've had some. I'm not too prideful to not say I've had some mental breakdowns over trading. It's tough, Donna. I mean, we blew a 25K yesterday, but we also passed one at the same time. So freaking hard, Tyler. Hopefully I don't get there. No, I almost was there a couple months ago, but Alex, yeah, I'm not really. I kind of look at the higher time frames based on stuff that ICT has said, but I'm not using that for my entries and stuff. Ever since the summer, I've been trading the tick chart with the cumulative delta, so it's more so like order flow stuff. Just looking for potential areas of reversals, which, I mean, this one was one right here where price came down and it couldn't go down any further. And then zooming out, we can see this low back here. We didn't get below. Wait. No, I'm all messed up. I can't. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I mean, I've been there one stop. I haven't told you guys all my financial struggles, but it's been pretty rough. That's why I was at my lowest point trading back in September, October. But I've grown from it, and that's what you guys have seen since we started streaming again. I mean, if you're in America, who isn't in debt? Like I said, I'm doing great. We've been trading since October 28th. That's when we started streaming again. We haven't lost any accounts. We've passed evals. We've kept evals. We have fundeds. We haven't blown a single account except for yesterday with that 25K, but that was part of my plan with those. That's why I bought those 2 accounts, was to hedge them and lose one and gain the other. I mean, who else, raise your hand if you have blown an account on trying to trade it since the end of October. It's not an easy thing to not lose an account for over a month with these small drawdown limits that these prop firms give you. Look at this. So, I mean, I'm not bragging or anything, but I'm doing good. I'm just being, like Knife said, I'm just crying about it right now. But my discipline has been on point. Our risk management has been on point. Chef got one of these Phoenix Merit accounts, and if you want to say it, you can't. I mean, again, I guess I can talk about it since you're talking about it, but he freaking shorted the night of the election, and it didn't work very well. But that was also only $20. That was 100. That was that 100K account. What was your size for it? That was so funny. They said in the description for those accounts, it says we're not looking for high profit target or high profits. And then this guy goes in with max size on everything. Right, Tyler? Like, part of me knows and can point out how much better I am now than I was just a few months ago. But the part that's talking is just putting myself down. I also wanted to at least end this Phoenix account on a green day, but I don't think that's going to be possible. I don't want to keep trading it with it being down $300. 300 is nothing considering it gives me 50,000 to draw down, but 300 is like the most I've ever lost in a day, so I don't need my largest red day on the last day that I'm trading. Yeah, we've already got a Donna, this is the newbie trading group. Yep, I mean, I've been there, done that, and I lost $1,000 in a few minutes of real money. Back before I was streaming, I was sitting in the car on my phone. And then afterwards, I'm like, why the frick? Why was I trading on my phone? It's because I was addicted and I didn't want to. I was angry that I was away from the markets in the morning. So I pulled my phone out with my cash account on TopStep, or not TopStep, on Tradeovate. Freaking lost $1,000 very quickly. Yeah, good job staying out, Donna. I mean, that takes a ton of discipline right there. A baby kangaroo is the size of a peanut when it is born and has to crawl into the pouch itself. Why wouldn't they just let it be born into the pouch? Jesus. I know, but somebody should have put one in the pouch, you know? That seems like a mistake on the creator's part. That poor little baby kangaroo just set up for failure. Was it the platform or just the market moved quickly so it skipped it? God damn. They really don't want. That kind of sounds like somebody's trying to put kangaroos, put them to extinction. Maybe they're not supposed to reproduce. That's true, Knives. That's true. And believe it or not, that's exactly what I say when I talk with friends. Like I was talking with a friend the other day who had a bad day, and I told him you know, we're not perfect. We're going to have bad days. So what's important is how we continue off of that bad day. Why did I have to get scared out of this trade? I mean, I could turn off, just stop copying to the funded accounts and then just trade the evals. The problem with that is if we start doing good, it's going to tempt me to turn the fundeds back on. And then you know what happens after that. Then we'll start having red trades. I mean, it's not greedy trading evals. You're not making any money. It's feeding into the addiction of wanting to trade, even though it's like this is so. Look at this 5-minute. I've always said I don't like when there's wicks everywhere. There's no direction. From the high to the low, we're in a 64-point range. That's like a holiday session, and I don't trade holiday sessions for that reason. All right, well, we're gonna if you guys want to hang out, we're gonna just play some video games for a little bit. Not all day. We're not trading. So if you don't want to hang out or don't care about any games, I guess you're gonna have to find somebody who does want to participate in this. Yeah, for sure. I don't want to risk any more. Like 500 is where I would like to stop on these accounts, and we're less than that because of what this is doing. Later, Hank. Have a good one. I As of right now, I don't know what I don't think I should trade tomorrow. It's Friday and it's been a rough week. There's no point in even trying, right? You need to just take the day off. Probably just skip streaming then. All right, I'm gonna go get a drink and then I guess we'll play some Hunt Showdown again. I want to do some sniping today. I'll be right back. Okay. There's still people here? What? It's time to game chef. That's what a bad day. Is this gonna capture this or not? This. All right. We need our necro trait so we can self-revive. And yeah, I get it. I get it, chef. All right, we're gonna use a sniper with this dumb ammo. It makes people bleed when you hit them with it. Man, I'm frustrated with the freaking markets. So let's go kill some people. This game also has proximity chat, so we can talk to people, enemies, and try to either befriend them or taunt them. Test. Test, test, test. Okay. Not a good start for missing zombies already. See, with Quan Tower shut, I get way better. My frames are like 120. If we run into anybody, we gotta try to keep our distance. Depending on how this goes, we may also just queue in with some random people, so we're not playing alone. There's somebody. It kind of sounded far away. I think there's somebody like right up here. Oh, frick. I hear him running in the... It is such ratty gameplay. But we are the Rat Lord. They're dead. For the time being, with what the market is doing, we were red today, and I, not by a lot, I just can't deal with how the market's trading right now. Somebody else is here still. I heard footsteps near me. Just couldn't tell where he was. I'll try to get up, but he's probably gonna kill me again. No, 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 no. Jesus. And the other dude killed me. Just not our day for trading or gaming. Kind of got pinched by two teams there. Everyone was sitting in the trees. Damn. Put it on random so we can play in teams of 3. Not freaking playing Minecraft, Chef. We're going to use something fun. We're gonna put on this little crossbow and put on these dragon bolts, which set people on fire. It's on trios. Probably just gonna play a few matches and then go eat food and get off the computer. I don't even want to sit at this computer. This is where all the damage was done with trading. It's just so frustrating. This is peak form. This dude gonna ready up. Hateful boyfriend? What is that? Are you trying to say Halo? A pigeon dating simulator. Chef, where the hell do you find these things? Let me look that up. I probably won't play that. I'm really picky with games. What the frick?
Hey everyone, it's Stinky
Yeah, I pulled it up.
Beat2044. Thanks for watching the stream. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Twitter. Being a real whiny bitch here, so I'm gonna side with Oko-san on this one. Love me for who I am, damn it.
Relax, I said I'd be down in a minute.
All right,
How does that game have 5,000 positive reviews? We'll see how this game goes. Hello?
Oh, hi guys.
What's up?
Not much, just deciding to waste my time in this masochistic pit.
Same.
I can't wait to bitch at myself for getting shot in the head at 200 meters by a guy I could never see because he's a black pixel on a black floor. I wonder if we'll ever beat the final boss of this game.
You just gotta have a positive attitude.
I do. One day I'll find the Slav spaghetti code and I'll defeat it.
That hurt. I don't know where they're going. If only there was a way to make money playing this game. Besides trying to grow a streaming channel with it. Oh. People over here. Oh, they're way out there. I think one of our teammates has like a sniper, so I don't know if he'll push with us. Oh, alligators right here. I don't even see them over there. Oh, there we go. Oh. You see him. Oh, man. There's somebody running over here. Oh, right there. No, I can't hit them. He's dead. What are they pinging? Where's the last one? Oh, out there. Way too far. Frick, that gator's right here. This isn't our day. This is not our day. Oh, what the hell are our teammates doing way back there? Oh, this guy's got moves. He's mad that our teammates way back there. My body's on fire. I need to go put my body out. go? Over here.
It's a little bit stressed. He's got a shotgun, so she's still up.
Nice.
Either cute woman. Around.
Yeah, no, clown bitch is over this way.
I only have a 50
Still
bar.
red. Well, you might not want to tell him.
Where the hell is... Where is he shooting? I only have this one health bar, this red bar, so if... Nice. If I get shot by anything, I'm just dead permanently.
We're this full clown building. Alright, let's get the gas.
I can't even help them kill the alligator.
I've got a stabby stick so I can kill it pretty fast.
Yeah, go for it. We'll just watch. Somebody over here. Well, look at that.
Be rejuvenated. Bodies here.
We didn't get to light anybody on fire with this. That team will probably just go extract right away because that's usually what everybody does. Nobody ever wants to fight.
I don't care who grabs it. You'd rather have it.
Only one bounty was picked up at Catfish, right?
Yeah, it seems that way. Looks like some solo did him in.
Yeah. This game kind of sucked. I think we helped get one kill back there. I don't know if it gave it to me or the other dude. Jesus. No idea what that guy's saying.
So I think the process that gives you dark sight also makes you inhumanly diabetic, because if you get bit in the legs, you stop the bleeding from your arms. And this would mean that your blood flow is totally fucked.
Interesting observation.
Gotta keep the blood in my hands or it'll leave through my legs. I'm really glad we won that fight, though. I didn't want to lose to that fucking asshole in the woods.
Yeah, this is my first game on, I think, so... Or no, I had a solo game right before this, but freaking sucked at aiming.
This is like my first session I've had in weeks. This game has a random error that will actually brick an entire hard drive, so I bought a burner solid state for $40 on Cyber Monday.
What the hell? I never heard of that.
Oh, dude, people have lost M.2 RAID arrays to this fucking game. Like I said, the final boss is the spaghetti slot.
Right?
I'm not even saying it to be salty.
Yeah, I haven't been playing it as much as I used to. Just getting burned out on these two maps constantly.
Wow, these guys died with, like, they were sweating.
It's Hunt Showdown.
Watch out for the bears.
I couldn't handle that price action. Just couldn't get anything going. Looked like holiday price action. Like holiday session. Once I get out of this match, I'm just getting off here though. I don't even want to game. I'm in a bad mood. Go watch some YouTube or something. Keep looking for jobs. Can't even kill his AI. I hate having long green day streaks, you know, because that red day's coming and it sucks. Luckily, we haven't had a green streak. Ever since, like, the week before Thanksgiving, I just can't get good reads on the market. The 2 days leading up to Thanksgiving week and then last week and now this week, it's just been trash. But our risk management has been okay, so it's been relatively small red days, but they're starting to add up, you know, so doesn't matter if they're small or not. Once you have too many of them, it just starts to take a toll on you. It's getting a little frustrating.
We did it. We beat Hunt Showdown.
We did it!
We defeated the Slav Code.
Alright, we're shutting the stream down. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I don't think I want to trade. We'll see what I'll see what the markets have done the rest of the day later. And then maybe in the morning we'll see what the overnight brought us, but I'm leaning towards just skipping tomorrow altogether. Oh, I got 2 kills? You down this hunter. I don't remember killing 2 people. But most likely I'll skip tomorrow. Unless for some reason the market looks good. And then we'll just take it easy, but if I'm not on tomorrow, we'll be back Monday for sure. So if that's the case, you guys have a good weekend. Thanks for sticking around. And talk to you guys later, I guess. Peace out.